Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to set break reminder on Instagram. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily set a break reminder on your Instagram. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, open your App Store or your Play Store to update your Instagram application. So once you open your App Store or your Play Store, make sure your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. Now once you have updated your Instagram, go ahead and then open your Instagram application. Now click on your profile at the down right, and once you click on that, once you click on your profile, you can see the three lines at the top right corner. Click on this option. Now once you click on this option, you can see your activity. Click on your activity, and once you click on your activity, scroll to here, you can see how you use Instagram, and under how you use Instagram you can see time spent. Click on time spent, and once you click on that, you can see manage your time. So click on break reminder, and you can see the time period after which you want to receive your reminder. So you can see every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So all you need to do is to select the time period after which you want to get your reminder, and once you have selected your time, click on turn on, and Instagram will remind you to take your break after this period. So this is very simple. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.